Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Michelle Cabal. I am 41 years old. I am a single mother. I have two children, ages 11 years old and 13 years old. I have two brothers and four sisters, and I am the eldest. I am a high school graduate. I have experienced a domestic helper here in Philippines for 5 years. I serve 5 family members. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of their children, washing and ironing their clothes, cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, and I also taking care of pet dog. Sir, ma'am, I am honest, patient, responsible, and hardworking. Sir, ma'am, I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and how to speak basic Cantonese words. Sir, ma'am, please choose me a domestic helper of your family. And I promise to you that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I am promised to you that I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.